Okay, here's a little video on how to install the battery on your red dot and turn it on and adjust the brightness. So it comes with this little screwdriver, and you unscrew this guy here. And then you can pry this battery tray open from the top here. And it uses a CR1632. Slide that back in. And then to turn it on, you hit up. If you just give it one click, and you see it there. And if you keep clicking up, see, we can line that up. Get brighter and brighter. A little hard to see on camera, but basically up is brighter and down is not as bright, and it will automatically shut off, I think after about 10 minutes of not being used. And just click that up button to turn it back on.